delicious. It's what now? It's 11:26. I just got hungry, so I wait till I'm hungry to eat. Some days it's sooner, some days it's later. We're going to Palm Springs for a tasting, checking out this new hotel. So I always take my medicine, which is at least a pound of non-starchy vegetables. I love this Pampered Chef micro steamer. You can find it in my Amazon store because it took 6 minutes, and they're hot and delicious and tender, and they cost 99 cents. You want one, Bailey? Guess not. And they're good. Even plain. Sometimes I put the SOS free sriracha on it, but today I'm enjoying them plain. But if you don't enjoy them, if you don't enjoy them plain, roast them with balsamic vinegar and Dijon mustard, and then they taste like candy. But the frozen ones from Trader Joe's are my favorite because they're like baby ones and they're really tender, and they go down really easy. So, fall in love with vegetables because that's the #1 secret to health, ultimate weight loss. You heard it here first.